Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you've got a new car, or maybe you just want to switch things up with your Uber driving setup. Changing your vehicle on the Uber Driver app is actually super straightforward, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Step 1. First, you'll want to open your Uber Driver app and look for the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap that and scroll down until you find a section called Vehicle or Account Settings. This is where all your vehicle information lives. Step 2. Once you're in that section, find the option that says Change Vehicle or Edit Vehicle Information. You might also see something like Add Vehicle if you're adding multiple cars to your account. Tap on whichever applies to your situation. Step 3. The app will now show you your current vehicle details. You'll see options to remove your current vehicle or add a new one. Make sure you're ready to do this because you'll need your vehicle's registration and insurance documents handy. Step 4. Fill in all the new vehicle information including the make, model, year, color, and most importantly, your license plate number. Make sure everything is accurate because this is what passengers will see. Step 5. Upload clear photos of your vehicle from multiple angles, your updated registration, and your insurance documents. The app will review these and you should get approval within a few hours. That's really all there is to it. Your new vehicle should be active on the platform right away once approved.